Hello, this is Bradley. Hi.
Good evening.
Yeah, it's freezing outside, that's what I got my hood up for. Jamie has just set the alarm off. Yeah, we were trying to go to an extra maths session. We ended up setting an alarm off, right? You can actually hear the alarm going off in the background, I think. Yeah, I'm not going to walk too far into school though, because I might get caught by the popo, you know. I am filming everything.
Oh. Filming?
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
So, yeah, we're just chilling here waiting for someone to arrive. We've got another person here who we're basically going to blame everything on.
Yeah,
Alex Coleman. We're basically blaming everything on him now.
When whoever comes here, give me your phone and I'll record it and speak it to him.
Okay. This is what I got for my birthday. Smiler jacket. It looks well cool. I love it.
Everyone cares so much.
Yeah, I don't really think anyone does. I'm going to pause it until someone actually arrives. We've legit been standing here for about 5 minutes now, and literally no one has turned up. You might as well just break into this school now. Literally, we could have nicked half the stuff in school by the time anyone arrived by now. So there's no one here, literally. I don't know why it keeps flashing in and out. I don't know what that is. Pretty rain.
Yeah, it's right.
You can hear it again now. There's also ballerina type people here, and they don't know what's going on. I've actually given up now. The alarm is still going off. It is still going off, and there's no one here.
Except people for ballet.
Oh yeah, there's ballet people here. There might be secret undercover FBI officers though.
Okay.
Oh, what could you?
Yeah.
I see.
Can we just ring the police?
I might. No, that doesn't sound like a good idea.
Excuse me.
Write in the comments section whether we should call the police. Like 2 days after this has gone on. It takes forever for me to upload like a 2-minute video.
Yeah, they're gonna come out with coffee.
Sorry, I couldn't keep away from the screen because it's wet, really wet. So, yeah. I think we should aim for 15 dislikes in this video. That seems like an achievable goal. I don't think I'll clickbait this one actually. So, enjoy. I might record a second one if someone actually bothers turning up.